Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature bathroom for dolls. If you would like to know how I made the rest of the dollhouse, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Cut out a piece of foam board that is as high as the ceiling of your dollhouse and about 15 centimeters wide, cover it in a paper of your choice and trace the shape of a small mirror on top. By the way, I'm using wallpaper in cement optic. Now poke holes into the foam board and make sure you stay inside the circle. I'm gluing foam board around the light switch so it doesn't move around when I'm turning the lights on and off, and a long piece that is about 4 centimeters wide to create a void between the walls to fit in the fairy lights. To do so, you'll need another foam board wall which you'll have to glue to the dollhouse, unlike the other one which is supposed to be removable because you obviously need to be able to take it out and access the fairy lights without destroying the whole house. This is why I'm using strips of foam board covered in paper to hold it in place. Make sure that you don't get any glue onto the removable wall. And now use foam board, popsicle sticks and matchboxes to make a sink. This toilet is from a previous video. If you would like to watch it, I will link it in the info box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!